Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Ito yung mga cars na you feel like it was ahead of its time when this was made. Ito, very iconic car nila. Syempre, yung F40 Liberty Walk. Grabe oh. Rolls-Royce na Mansory. Thick boy right there. Grabe oh. Full RX-7 setup. Mga rotary engines, Mazda engines. Godzilla in the flesh. That RB26 engine. The iconic Project Mu. HKS Engineering. Ganda ng booth ng Mitsubishi oh. That is nice. Yokohama tires. Honda NSX. Ganda oh. Linis. Varistor. Official shop. Nice key change. Shift knobs, carbon shift knobs. Pati plate holder, so mauubos pera ko dito. You can never have enough money pag nasa Tokyo Auto Salon ka. This is the Varis booth. Ito guys, very popular ang Varis. It's a new 486. Look how flush that is. Grabe. Flushed. Wild. Even the back. Tiis ganda lifestyle. Solid. Oh, they have the mini GT na booth. Si Angelo Magtoto, number 1 fastest sa Philippines now. With his Toyota Supra. Motul racing din yan. Tapos kasama niya si Calbotography. Famous na ano yan na picture, very nice shots. Gaganda ng mga picture niya. Ari oh, magsawa ka. Dami oh. Wow. Overwhelming. Ito yung tao, meron sila sa Top Secret Garage, Mini GT Top Secret Garage. Ito naman, Liberty Walk. Our friends from Liberty Walk. Mismo showroom. Yung Top Secret na sought after yan. Hinahanap yan, yung GTR na yan. 9,000 yan. Pag na ulit tayo, sa race naman tayo. Sa Hall 1 pa lang tayo. Yung sobrang laki ng venue, siguro pag nasanay sa World Trade Center or sa SMX, so mga times 10. If you look at pag gano'n ka, pag gano'n kalaki yan, ito pa lang, parang SMX, buong SMX na to eh. Hall 1 and 2 pa lang to. They have 8 halls. Massive. Grabe, hindi mo matatapos ng isang buong araw, totoo lang. Siyempre, alam ng lahat. Ayan ang pinaka-famous lineup nila, the TE37s. You know how iconic this one is. So, TE37 is life. Grabe yung custom paint niya oh. Freaking glows, man. Wow. Alpine Racing, may secret ako sa inyo. Top secret. R32s. Pero the ultimate, yung pinakasikat nila is that itong dalawa, 34 and 35 nila. Nissan booth is here. Shout out Nissan Philippines. So guys, 400Z to yung bagong Fairlady. Pero pag tiningnan nyo yung lights sa harap likod, ano yan? Parang ni-retro look nila. So, eto, medyo iconic yan. Yung line na yan. So, ginawa nilang parang yung lumang Fairlady. Tapos tingnan nyo yung taillight. Ito yung original. Yan yung retro look. Pero yan yung original talaga niyan. Ang galing, no? Ang galing, but it's the same body. Ginawa nilang retro look tong isa. Ganda. R32. Where it started it all. Datsun 240C. Parang napaka-normal ng R34 dito, no? Pero kung isipin mo, napakahirap kumuha niya. Such an iconic car. Uy, ST suspension. Twin turbo na Huracan V10. So this is Ronald Ventura's booth. Last time we were in Ginza at the opening of their gallery. Now they transported the car here. Jimny na wagon. Nakit. So mukha siyang G-Wagon. They have the Purosangue, the new SUV. NK Boost. In fairness, hall 3 na tayo. So 5 more halls. So guys, this is the Lamborghini Temerario. Ito yung magpapalit sa Huracan V10s natin. Thick boy right there. Grabe, oh. Look at those wheels. Let's go to the next hall. Hall 4 to 8. Kala mo yun na yun. There's more. It's like there's a motor show within a motor show within a motor show. Hall 4 to 6. Dunlop tires. The big Honda Boost right there. Siyempre may Mugen. Tinata, dun tayo sa Mugen. Ito guys, oh, mauubos pera nyo dyan. Ito na, Mugen power na. This is the Honda Civic Type R FL5's Mugen Edition Group B. Group B to guys. If I'm not mistaken, the one that was in the Philippines na pinalabas nung PIMS was Civic Type R na Group A. Yeah, fender flares niya, oh. Grabe. Mugen rims, the wing, and the ducktail. So guys, tama. This is Group B. The taillights are different. The side skirts are different. Everything. The Recaro seats are Mugen. Look at that Recaro seat, Mugen. Yan, oh. Grabe yan. TWS Forge. They have a Ferrari Superfast. Alam mo yung mga relo at saka yung mga Rolex na blinged out? Wala yan. May nakita kami. Bedazzled. Hot damn. Grabe, pinagkakaguluhan yung Mazda. Guys, ikakabit ko sa kotse ko. Tingin nyo gagana. NOS. K-Cars. Final edition ng Swift. ZS33S Swift Sport. WRX STI, of course. Sports R Black Limited S4. To medyo hinihintay ko to. BRZ STI Sport. They have the purple edition. This is a special color that they came out. Pareho sila ng STI na BRZ at saka yung STI na WRX na nakita nyo kanina. Ganda to. Very, very nice. This can land in the Philippines very soon, hopefully. Kahit hindi yung purple edition, kahit yung BRZ STI lang. BC Forge, Capristo, Mansory, Rolls-Royce, Brabus na G-Wagon. Grabe, oh, Rolls-Royce na Mansory. If you think your car is expensive, wait till you see this with the Mansory. Grabe yung definition ng body kit nila. Kasi, yan, oh. Grabe yan. The car as it is sobrang ganda na. But with the Mansory body kit, makes it even more elegant. Tapos ito pa, G-Wagon ka na Brabus. Of course, Porsche na Tech Art. The new Lamborghini Revuelto. Gorgeous color. Ang ganda niya. And it's not matte, it's gloss paint. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Parang ito yung mga cars na you feel like it was ahead of its time when this was made. And grabe. Grabe. Shout out natin sa mga kaibigan natin for Liberty Walk. Kay Yu Makato and the rest of the team. Boss, Ferrari yan eh.
Uy! Sama mo.
Sama ko. Si Press, si J, Bag Truck Philippines, saka Flat 6 Manila. We're gonna feature them soon ha. Ito, very iconic car nila, syempre, yung F40 Liberty Walk. This is the collaboration with Bape. Alam niyo yung you think it's just, you know, aesthetics and body kit. Pero in Japan kasi, it's a way of life. Grabe sila. Look at how the look, the feel of the culture that they bring in, the community that they bring in. Grabe oh. For some, it's just a body kit for a car. For us as car lovers, it's the community. It's what they bring in the market. Diba? Grabe.